Hello, readers and writers, and welcome to lesson 42 of your ELA School Away from School. I'm Mr. Driver, and I'll be your virtual teacher for today's daily lesson. Let's go ahead and start with those same guiding questions. What journey does food take before it gets to your plate? And how do we make decisions about what we eat? Remember, we'll continue addressing these questions through all of our work. Time to go ahead and get some materials out for today's lesson. You're going to need your copy of the text, We Are What We Eat, Hunting That Has a Way with Bows, Arrows, and Ingenuity. Your copy of lesson number 42, the lesson number 42 note catcher, as well as a pencil. Go ahead and pause the video here and get those materials out. We have one learning target for today. Let's make sure we keep this learning target in mind during all of our work. The learning target is I can read the text closely to answer questions. First, with a family member, caregiver, or friend, you'll be rereading the article, We Are What We Eat, Hunting That Has a Way with Bows, Arrows, and Ingenuity. As you read along, consider replaying and listening to the text read aloud from lesson 39. Pause the video here and return to your reading. Now that you've had a chance to look at the text again, I want you to think about a few things. Remember, you found the central message of the article. You found the gist for each section of the article. You used evidence to support the central message, and you identified and determined the meaning of unfamiliar words from each section. So pause the video here and think about each of these accomplishments. Now it's time to have a discussion with your family member, caregiver, or friend. Remember, the central message is the big idea that the author wants you to understand and take away from reading a text. What is the central message of the article? Has it changed after rereading the text over the last 2 days? What was the most important information in the text that supports your central message? Why? What new word or words did you learn? How did you find out about their meaning? Go ahead and pause the video here while you discuss these questions. Please take out your lesson 42 quiz. Using the article, We Are What We Eat, Hunting That Has a Way with Bows, Arrows, and Ingenuity. Answer the questions on lesson 42 quiz. Go ahead and pause the video here while you complete the work. We're going to go conclude and wrap up today's lesson. Let's think about how you did with our learning target. I can read the text closely to answer questions. As a closing, share your answers with someone and tell them why you chose to write or answer what you did. Also, remember to read a book today for 20 minutes. You can also read with a family member, caregiver, or friend. I also want you to practice your fluency by rereading this article from today for 1 minute. You can use a timer or have someone count to 60. After 1 minute, count the words you read and write the number at the top of your text. Compare this to Monday and how many words you read in 60 seconds. Celebrate your hard work and success. Thanks again for all your hard work today. Tomorrow, we will conclude the work from this week by answering a writing prompt and practice reporting on the topic using evidence to support your claims.